Room tour. This time we're at Gecko's Resort Fiji in Thuvu near Singatoka. The rooms are really big. It's got a TV, no TV reception but heaps of DVDs, coffee table, chairs, a double bed and a single bed. See, it's pretty big rooms, and I always love a room with aircon. Then we've got this desk over here and a mini fridge, tea and coffee making facilities. The room also came with milk and bottled water. Heaps of hanging space in the wardrobes, but as usual I lived out of my suitcase, and a small safe in this side. And then into the bathroom, it was a lovely normal sized bathroom, hairdryer, shampoo, conditioner, plenty of towels, and there's the shower. So here's the overall room with the bathroom and the bedroom. Totally recommend this place for a mid-price range resort. It was quiet, less tourists, really peaceful.